Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix camera and webcam problems in Windows 10. So there are four easy methods. First one, turn on camera in all settings. So right click on start if you are using Windows 10 or 11, then click on settings. In here click on privacy and security. Now scroll down, click on camera. Now turn on camera access from here, and also let apps access your camera. If you are using any particular application, so turn on camera like Skype or Zoom. So turn on camera. So it's first method. Now try second method. Uninstall webcam or camera driver from device manager. So click on start, type device manager, open device manager. Now in here expand camera, and in some Windows version you will see imaging device, and underneath imaging device you will see webcam or camera. So right click on it and click on uninstall device, and don't delete. If it will ask delete, so you don't need to delete, just uninstall this driver. Now click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. So we will see this camera driver is back, and in case you will not see, so restart your PC and click on action and scan for hardware changes. So you will see this driver back, and still you are facing error after using this two method. Try third method. So click on start and type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now copy and paste this command line. I will give in description link for this command. So copy and paste here. Now wait for a while till this procedure will be complete. And once this procedure will be complete, you need to restart your PC. And still you are facing error, so you need to try fourth method. Now try this fourth method. So click on start and type regedit, open registry editor, and in registry editor expand HK local machine, then software. Now scroll down, expand wow 64 32 node. Now in this list expand Microsoft. Now in the last you will see Windows Media Foundation, so expand it. Now double click on platform. Now right click anywhere. Now you need to type enable frame server mode. So right click anywhere. Hover cursor to dword 32-bit value. Now type enable. Server frame mode. Now right click on it and click on modify and set value data as 0. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using this for method, this issue will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not, and please comment which method is perfect for you. So this is the quick and easy video to fix camera and webcam problems in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks again for watching.